Why hasn't she come up till now? How long am I supposed to wait for her? I get started. Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Saira Iqbal Khan from the Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements. And as you can see, I don't have any co-host for today. Well, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Now, moving forward, I would like to tell that today I will be explaining what is a personal brand. Why do you need to not only identify, rather build, manage, and expand your brand? What is the end game of this entire personal brand workshop? What are the benefits or takeaway you can take out of this workshop, and how it can actually create a difference in your life? Well, as you know, in today's competitive world, there's a lot of competition going on. And only good grades and a lot of co-curricular activities can definitely not guarantee that you will actually land an interview or find a job of your dream. So why is it so? It's very simple because there are a lot of passionate and enthusiastic and as well as qualified candidates in the market. So what you actually have to do that you can find and win the job or career of your dream, the answer is very simple. You need to stand out of the crowd. And to stand out of the crowd, it's really a tough job. So now we will explain that what is a personal brand. Maya, where have you been, yaar?
I'm so sorry. आजो.
To whom you calling in?
ये फरा है. This is Farah, my friend. मैं basically इससे मिलने गई थी. So I was telling her about OCLP और personal brand. बैठो. तो ये
Hi,
है कि
it's
मैं-
Farah. Nice to meet you, Farah.
अच्छा, एक्चुअली आई वेंट टू सी फरा, तो उधर पे मैंने उसे बताना शुरू कर दिया कि OCLP क्या है, पर्सनल ब्रांड आप जो बता रही थी, स्टफ एंड ऑल दैट, तो उसका बताना शुरू कर दिया. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि कितना ग्रेट आइडिया होगा ना कि मैं फरा को अपने साथ ही ले आऊँ.
Yeah,
तो
nice.
उस पर आपको पता है मार्स कॉलोनी कितनी बड़ी है, तो आते आते हमें देर हो गई. अच्छा, आपने सब कुछ बता दिया? नहीं, वैसे मैंने सुना था कि आप अभी कह रही थी कि यू विल एक्सप्लेन कि पर्सनल ब्रांड है क्या और वो सारा कुछ. तो चलो फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये यूट्यूब पे तो अपलोड होगा ना? हाँ, आपने पिछली दफ़ा कहा था कि यूट्यूब पे अपलोड होगा. पता है यूट्यूब पे सारे सेशंस अपलोड होंगे और हम यूट्यूब सेंसेशन बन जाएंगे. चलें स्टार्ट करें.
Start तो हो गया था. You guys just joined in the middle of the session.
चलें कोई नहीं, अब इधर से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं.
Well, guys, as you can see that now Maria and Farah have joined us all the way from the Gen Z alien community. We are really grateful to you, by the way. So, as we were discussing earlier, that I was going to explain what is a personal brand. So, before I explain, why don't you, just share your ideas? What do you think?
मैं
Yeah, any one of you, as you are the most smartest generation of all time.
Well, as we all know, brand होता है, वही personal brand होता है.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Personal brand is how you promote yourself. It is the unique combination of skill, experience, and personality.
Yeah, actually, you're in dot.
What? Wait, it sounds like French.
Oh hell, it's not French. Let me explain you. It's very simple. Actually, we refer to brands regularly, in terms of marketing and all that. So maybe we don't find time to look into the brands which we have in ourselves. Actually, let me make it simple for you. Well, imagine as if you guys have been locked in a room for like 2 months.
You
Me
mean
lockdown?
No lockdown anymore. Just a situation, imagine that you guys have been locked in a room for like 2 months. Have you imagined?
Oh, you mean
Imagination.
imagination.
Hashtag Perchi.
Hi, imagine.
Hoye, imagine.
You just imagine, that you guys have been locked in a room for 2 months, and finally, after 2 months, you got an opportunity to go into the market, and you haven't brushed your tooth, like for like 2 months. Or अब अगर आप market में गए हैं, so there are two brands. One is Sensodyne, and the other one is Bella Purkitine.
Good sense of humor.
Oh, thank you.
We
thank
will
you.
choose Sensodyne.
Obviously, Bellapur की डाइन. इसका तो मैंने सुना भी नहीं. I'll also go with Sensodyne.
You will go with Sensodyne. So why would you choose Sensodyne?
Because I like Sensodyne.
Why do you like Sensodyne?
Because of its features, its quality, its experience, and the way they pitch it in the market. Because इससे एक authenticity की feel आती है.
You're actually on dot. You have nailed it. But if you're interested in promotion of your brands, you can drop an email to us at oclp at umt.edu.pk. As you very rightly said that, you like the attributes and features, in Sensodyne and all that. So similarly, as an individual, you have certain qualities, attributes, features that make you a brand, and which other people experience when you interact with them. So basically, it's your unique selling proposition that helps you to stand out of the crowd.
I see. But
Yeah.
what if I say I don't have a personal brand?
Well, it's not like that. Either you agree or you don't agree. Everybody in this room, including you, me, Maria, we all have a personal brand. But the point is not that you have a personal brand or not, because wo to aap logon ka hai hi already. The point is that what you actually do to build it, to manage it, expand it, and to make it more authentic and consistent so that you can stand out of the crowd. So that is basically the point, because your personal brand is basically your reputation, it's your calling card, it's what you are known for, and how people, experience about you. So it's like who you are, to what you do, how you do it, and where you want to be. Well, the secret to standing out of the crowd is basically,
Why we need to stand out of the crowd?
it's a very logical question. Do you know that on average, research says 700 plus applicants apply for a job? So if you don't have a unique selling proposition, then definitely you will not be able to find a job or stand out of the crowd.
Got it. But what exactly we need to do to know our personal brand?
Well, it's very simple. Maria को तो पता ही है, हमने पिछले episodes में बताया था, there are 5 different sections which we will be covering under this workshop. So basically you need to know your strengths, your talents, your skills, your passion, your values, and that will ultimately help you to find your purpose. So basically ये जो है ये आपकी एक foundation set करेगा, and you will be able to find the end game कि आपका life में purpose क्या है. And when you know all of these attributes, you will be able to create a very impactful impression in the minds of people. और जब आप उनके साथ interact करोगे, तो maybe you will get to know about a lot of opportunities.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Finally, Gen Zers also find it great. Well, it's that easy,
Great.
So I guess now we should close the video.
Wait. Once you close the session, I need one more clarity.
Yeah, ask.
जब हम अपना पर्सनल ब्रांड आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं तो हम लोगों को इम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं. वी कैन स्टैंड आउट फ्रॉम द क्राउड. सो अगर हम किसी रिक्रूटर से या बिजनेस टाइकून से मिलते हैं तो हम उन्हें अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स, पैशन, वैल्यूज़ बताने लग जाते हैं. तो डजंट दैट सीम्स साउंड्स वियर्ड कि हम उन्हें कहें हाय आई एम फरा एंड माई स्ट्रेंथ्स आर.
Very good question. Actually, I'm really happy that you asked this question. और ये पता भी चल रहा है कि फरा जाग रही है, and she's taking a lot of interest. Well, very simple. Basically, when you will go through this entire journey, this entire personal brand workshop, तो आप उसके through extract करोगे अपनी एक personal branding statement. And now the question arises, what to do with that personal branding statement? So that's very simple. उसके different use कर सकते हो जगहों पे. For example, you can use it like a headline on your resume, because gone are the days जब वो आप लोग Google से एक generic vague किस्म की career objective लेकर लगा देते थे, और you never got the chance for your CV to get selected. So you can use very authentic, very specific personal branding statements जो कि आप अपने resume के ऊपर लगाओगे. Secondly, you can use it on your online profiles like LinkedIn, right? Similarly, last and not the least, and that is, when you interact with people at the conferences, definitely you go there with a certain introduction about yourself, right? So you can pitch yourself through that, personal branding statement. So these are the usages, और ये basically takeaway है जो कि आप personal branding workshop के through identify करोगे.
Great. That's, I think, a wrap. इस बार हम ना closing कर ले मैं और फरा.
I have no issues. Go ahead.
चलो हम करते हैं. So thank you guys for watching our video. Hashtag ऐसा करें आप ही closing कर लें.
मैं कर लूँ?
हाँ.
Okay. Alright guys, get ready and stand out by being your best self. Why? Because this is your time to really shine and make most of it. Stay tuned, stay safe, good luck, and rock the world.
चले सेल्फी लेते हैं.
Yeah, selfie on Mars.